iOS 26 has brought a lot of really useful features to the screenshot tools. So if you're browsing a web page and you take a screenshot, you're going to notice a slightly different interface. In fact, it's not just websites. Any screenshot you take will look slightly different from now on. And beneath the screenshot, you're going to find some quick actions to interact with what you've got on the screen. For example, here, you're going to see I've got the option to Summarise at the bottom. Tapping on there is going to use Apple Intelligence, and as quickly as that, it's going to give me a summary of what's on the screen. Of course, I can interact further with my screenshot as well. For example, I can use ChatGPT in the bottom corner by tapping the Ask button to ask some more information about what's currently on the screen. And because we're manually invoking ChatGPT from the screenshot, the actual contents of the screenshot are being shared with ChatGPT, which means it can analyse what's on the screen and answer your questions to help with that. And this is just one of many, many new things in iOS 26. To see what else is new, check out my channel down below. I'll see you next time.